صلوا على الحبيب صلى الله تعالى على محمد.
Marvels of Sayyidina Imam Hussain radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, the non-political movement for the propagation of Quran and Sunnah. Dawud Islami's publication department, Maktabatul Madina, now presents you with a well-renowned booklet named Marvels of Sayyidina Imam Hussain radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, written by Shaykh al-Tariqat Amir Ahl-Sunnat Damat Barakatuhum al-Aliyah, consisting of 39 pages. The topics that you will find in this book are: the water of the well rose up, the pillar of light and water birds, details of the painful insects, dreadful death of Yazid, the excellence of Ashura, and other useful information, in addition to all the previously mentioned topics. You may download this booklet from the website of Dawud Islami, that is www.dawudislami.net. You are requested to buy this booklet from the various branches of Maktabatul Madina and distribute the books published by Maktabatul Madina in marriage ceremonies, tragic events, and congregational events in order to increase goodness in your book of deeds.
मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है।